everybody, it's Tana here from the Textdrip demo team. And are you looking for ways to send out reminders and updates to your customers without breaking the drip? Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that with our reminder campaign. Now, I know what you're wondering. Well, what's the difference between a drip campaign and a reminder campaign? Well, a drip campaign is used to reach out to new customers for the first time by sending them out a series of messages for them to reply. Now, once those customers reply, that is called breaking the drip. And there's no need to send out the rest of those messages. So Textdrip will automatically stop those pre-scheduled messages from going out. Now, a reminder campaign also sends out a series of pre-scheduled messages, but those automatic texts can only be applied to customers that are already existing in your account. Now, once they reply to a reminder campaign, the drip is not broken. This amazing feature will allow you to send out important updates and reminders to all of your customers to respond back to and still get that next pre-scheduled text. This is going to help you to stay one ahead of the game and stay organized too as well. Now, let's go ahead and make a reminder campaign. Now, we make a reminder campaign just how we will make a drip campaign. So we're going to start off right here in our drip campaigns, and we're going to go ahead and select where it says Add Campaign. Once again, we're going to name that campaign and then click on Continue. Now, once we click on Continue, it's going to ask us what type of campaign. We're going to select Reminder Messaging. We're going to click on Create. Now, once you click on Create, you'll see here that automatically a blank message box is going to appear for you. It's the same exact layout as our drip campaigns. So let's go ahead and fill out that first message. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in this message here. And it says, "Nice speaking with you. I look forward to our meeting." Let's choose a time duration. The time duration will be set to go out the day before the meeting. So if your meeting is actually set for in 6 days from now, let's go ahead and set the time duration for actually 1 day. So we're going to keep the number here at 1 and go ahead and change this to 1 day. Now let's go ahead and add on another text. We're going to select here where it says Add Drip and select where it says SMS, and another blank message box is going to actually appear for us. Let's go ahead and fill this out. Now, in this box, it actually says, "It was really nice speaking with you. Looking forward to our next meeting." Now, the time duration that we're going to actually set on this one is going to actually go out within 5 days after we set it up within our scheduled message. So we're going to scroll down here and change the 1 to a 5 and change this to 5 days. This is a way to have two friendly reminders that actually go out without breaking the drip. Once you have both messages, you can add more by clicking here on Add Drip and select an SMS, or go ahead and click on Save. Once you click on Save, you have now made your first reminder campaign. Now you have a reminder campaign that's going to go out 1 day before your scheduled event and 5 days for the actual event. Now, in your drip campaigns, you can see the differences here because the reminder campaigns are going to always be in red, and it's going to also tell you the type here too as well. That's going to be clearly labeled. Now, you can apply the reminder campaigns 3 different ways: from our inbox, contacts, and schedule messages. Now, within the inbox, we're just going to go here. You're going to select your customer name. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and then where it says Add to Schedule, you're going to select it. From here is really easy. Select where it says Drip. Select a date and time where you would like for it to go out. Then select the campaign, and then click on Save. Now, from the contact field, it's almost the same exact way. You're going to go to your customer's name, but once again, you're going to select where it says Send Message. And at the bottom, you're going to find that Add to Schedule icon, and then you're going to follow the same exact instructions before. Now, within scheduled messages, you can also send out a reminder campaign. It's really easy. You're going to select here to where it says Add Schedule. From here, you're going to actually just put in your recipient name you would like for it to go to. Select where it says Add Drip. Follow the same instructions before, except for this time, you're going to select the phone number you would like for their messages to come from, and then click on Save. Once you click on Save, you're going to be able to send out that reminder campaign to your customer. For more information about reminder campaigns or drip campaigns, you can check out the rest of the videos in my drip campaign series playlist. You can always book another demo. You can click on the help tabs here, or you can always go to textdrip.com. And remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Bye, everybody.